How to withdraw money from Transferwise. In the previous video, we talked about how to add money to your Transferwise account. How would you withdraw money from your Transferwise account? It's as easy as adding money to your Transferwise. All you have to do is to go into your account balances. So these are account balances we created in seconds. We just have to add a currency, and then Transferwise will give you the local bank account for those currencies.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
That is also country specific. For where I'm coming from, I don't have access to USD bank details, but with the Euro and British Pound, I'll have access to local bank details. I have the USD balance here because I have a business that is in the US, and I've added a business and verified that business, so then they'll give you this access, but you don't have the local bank details for that purpose. So I try to do a balance which is still paused in the USD to add to my USD balance. So let's say if this had gone through, I would have about 1,000 USD in the USD balance, but now I just have a few dollars there. That's about 12. If I want to withdraw this money, that is how I go through this process. So if I want to withdraw this money, all I have to do is to send money. How am I withdrawing this money? Am I withdrawing it for myself or to somebody else in another country? So if you want to send it to some other currency, you choose the international. If it's going to another USD account, you choose the local currency. This can also happen with the British Pound or Euro or any other currency anywhere in the world. So local means it's going to the same currency. International means it's going to another currency. So let's say it's going to another USD. Then the recipient is going to receive just about 10 USD, because there will be 140 USD in fees. And this is probably the best you get online, because this is the main interbank rates, the midterm rates that you get. This wouldn't happen if you are using your local bank, and your local bank, you'll be getting just about, the recipient will be receiving just about $2 with this meager amount. So if I would like to continue, I continue, and am I sending this money to myself? So you can also link your local bank account, and even for my purpose, you can link your mobile money. If you want to withdraw into your mobile money, you have all those options there. So for example, if I'm withdrawing for myself, it will tell me which country am I withdrawing this money to. So let's say I want to choose Ghana. To send USD outside the USD, you need to use the Swift network. It's more expensive and slower, so it costs 3.2 extra, and the transfer might take a day or two longer. So there's an option for you. If you want to still go through, you use the USD option, but you have to find the Swift code and the account number. There's another option for you. Instead of sending the money directly from the US currency, there's options for you to send it with a local currency. So I can actually send it through a Ghanaian cedis. All I have to do is to open a balance and use Ghana cedis. So Ghana cedis balance is ready to go. So that is how I have created a local bank account for this purpose. So you see that I'll have that balance there very well. So this is my new local bank details. So this is a balance without local bank details. Here I wouldn't have a bank account details, but that is a balance for me. If I want to just add money, I'll add, let's say I want to add 1,000 and paying with same Ghana cedis or probably British Pound to someone else, or USD. I don't have Ghana cedis in there. This is how much the person will be receiving, 181.96 USD. Next, and you go. So this is how you withdraw money from Transferwise. Very simple process. You just have to explore. There are so many things I'm finding every day with Transferwise. It's huge and vast that you'll find something new every day. What I would like you to do is to go into the description area of this video, subscribe to the channel, click on that link there and create your Transferwise account, and you see more of Transferwise and videos on this beautiful payment process out. in other videos. And with that, I wish you well. Gracias.